My name is Amanda Zumker. I work for IPS Services. I am the department head of residential and day program. IPS Services, we provide services to adults with developmental disabilities in a day program setting as well as a residential setting. So at our IPS day programs, we provide services in a skill building center. So each person has their own classroom and it is based out of what they need to work on as far as communication, skill building, pre-employment, but we also have a sensory room. So lots of clients are able to go in there and de-escalate if they're upset or if they're frustrated. We have a full movie room. We have a kitchen area that they do cooking classes in. So at our program, for when it comes to cleaning and disinfecting at the end of the day or after an activity has been used, the staff are responsible for cleaning those, or the clients that have the ability to be able to work and clean. So for our cleaning products, we do use Simple Green all-purpose cleaner because it's a safer choice product because we do have a lot of clients that touch a lot of surfaces as well as staff. So we do have clients who have sensitivities to smells, and lavender seems to be one that works really well in our facilities. And for disinfecting, we use Simple Green Clean Finish. Due to the traffic of people coming in and out and clients coming in and out, we do use it a lot on our door handles, our light switches. At the end of the day, the staff are responsible for cleaning up their classrooms. It's easy, it's already together. We're able just to grab it and disinfect areas that have been touched. Each classroom has their own bathroom, so it's really nice to be able to have something easy and simple to be able to grab because we do have, I believe, 10 classrooms. With Simple Green being a concentrated cleaner, it allows us to be able to use the strength that we need for each mess, each cleanup that we need to do. So if it's a small cleanup, we may not need to use much, and then if it's a big cleanup, we're able to adjust that.